Hi, in this video I am going to show unboxing and how to use a pulse oximeter. A pulse oximeter can be used to measure oxygen level in blood as well as pulse rate. So let's open it. So what we get inside the box? So the oximeter itself, and we get a bag and two batteries and the user manual. So pulse oximeter is a very tiny equipment and it's very easy to use. But so far I found battery installation is the difficult part. So let's install the battery. So that's the battery compartment. As you can see, plus sign is here and the minus sign is here. That means the battery positive part should be like this and negative should go like this, and both of the battery is the same direction. Normally in any electrical equipment, the positive side of the battery goes with the negative side like this or like this. But in oximeter, both positive and positive together and negative together when you install it. So that's the positive part and negative part goes inside. So one and the second one in the same direction. So let's put the cover. So now the machine is ready to use. It's a very tiny equipment, but it can save your life, especially in a coronavirus situation. So let's use it. So what you do is you insert your finger here, and in the front panel there are two buttons. One is the on-off button, other is the direction button. To direction means direction of the display. So let's turn it on. So starting. So my oxygen level is 98. The normal value is 95 to 100. So I am in the normal range and my pulse rate is 87 or 88 now. And normal pulse rate is 60 to 100. So I am in the normal range. Now let's try the direction button. So you see the direction of the text changes. So like this here, like other. Although it's very tiny equipment, it can save your life in the events of coronavirus. That's all. Thank you for watching.